my daily earlier in the last video, and I never even showed you what it was. But I mean, there's a reason, trust me. But well, again, we're working with what we got. So nothing spectacular, just 2.4. And I'm doing a lot of projects with it, so it's going under the knife. It's been the wife's daily for years. I mean, as you can tell, just painting the trunk, I'll tell you that, and on the roof. So I bought this iron for the wife. So I took this as a daily, and that's why the Corolla is a project now. So in the meantime, I cannot drive a stock car. Just not gonna happen. So this video is just gonna be on a little headlight project that I got. I'm gonna clean these headlights up. It's already got an HID kit in there. The headlights are just getting really hazy. So I'm gonna grab some sandpaper and some clear coat and go to work on that. Like I said, gonna start with some different sandpapers. Got some soapy water here. Definitely gonna time lapse this crap. And I won't bore you with the other side. Use some clear gloss. Well, we tried doing the headlights, and they didn't come out too good. They come out this morning and checked them out, and this is what we got. This one's not so bad. It's not too bad, it's pretty clean. This one, on the other hand, looks like shite. So, we're gonna be doing it all over again, and just not today. Back again today, hopefully, for the final try on the headlight restoration. I got some LEDs, switchback LEDs that we're gonna eyebrow the top of the headlights, which I'll get into a little bit later in the video once I get these all cleared. Start a little early today because I do want to get it sanded, re-sanded, and re-cleared for the second time again, because the first time one came out perfect and the other one came out super hazy. So wasn't happy with the results. So now we're back out here again. Got my little setup, got on my little more back with the sandpapers. So the last video you saw, well, the video I was trying to make, you saw the headlights. I was clearing the headlights. Now, I don't know if it's going to register, but can you see all the cracks in there? That's why we're doing it again. As soon as the clear coat hit, it went to shit. Alright, we got our headlights off the car now, and you can see a little better in here. Spidering. Yeah, it didn't come out too good. At least not to my standards. So, got them off the car, and instead of arguing with my wife and trying to use the oven, I just saved that argument and I'm going to hot box it. Basically, you get yourself a cardboard box, cut a hole on the side for your heat gun. Let the heat gun run in there for about, you close everything all off, close the box. You got the headlight in there. And in about 10 to 15 minutes, it should heat up enough to be able to pull. So let's see how this goes. housing, and we have the lens. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pop the lens off, sand it all back down, clear it correctly, get rid of these reflectors. Alright, we're going to start by sanding down the lenses. Just the lenses to try to get all that cracked effect off. If you can catch that on there, that's kind of hard to see. But we're going to start off with some 200 grit, then go to 400, 800, and I mean, I got all the way up to 3,000, so we'll see what it's going to take. Alright, testing day 1. Never tried this before, but let's see if it's going to work. I'm going to try to strip all this chrome off. We're just using oven cleaner. Yeah, I don't know. I read it all over the internet. Let's see if the internet knows what the hell it's talking about. Alright, let's see. Wow, it's already working. Holy. Holy. Look at that. Yeah, it's already turning to black. Well, let me give it a good coating so make sure it gets it all. And damn, I am insanely impressed. So let me finish getting into this. I'll get them all rinsed off. We'll see what the final result is here. Alright. So good. Look at this. Well, I gotta clean them up a little bit, but I mean, it's just dirt from the water. Yep, that just saved me a ton of time. Sanding, prepping, painting, simple black housing. Boom. So, alright. Now that we're back, it's another day. After stripping everything and cleaning it all down, I got plastics pretty damn good. You can see, let's see. Gonna keep it simple RTV, just some black. And then once it's all dried, I'll go over again with my finger and fill in all the cracks and creases and stuff like that. So lenses came out pretty good, actually. Can't complain. They came out a lot better than the previous videos that you saw. So now we're just going to glue and press everything together and see how it comes out. Okay, we're back again. I got the light strip mounted in there, like I was saying, just temporary to show you the effects of it here. So one is going to be just a running time light, super bright. It'll just be an eyebrow basically, and just goes right over the top. And then the second is, there we go, it'll be a directional. that's how it's going to look, and then I'll get back to you when I get them in the car. Alright, demonstration time. Let me give you an idea. Alright, we are done with the headlights. Finally got them all bonded back together and mounted in place. Everything wired up, and while I had it apart, I actually put some blue LEDs in the grill too. So it's getting a little dark now. I'll wait for it to get a little bit darker and I'll show you guys the LEDs. Alright, after watching the video, I realized I didn't have a sign off. So, just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Subscribe, like, any comments, questions, anything, just throw it in there. I do have some links to my new Instagram in there. So I do have some photos of the Avenger, the Scion, the Corolla, some other stuff like some of the Supras, the new Supras coming out. So check me out on Instagram also. It's going to be barrows_builds. So, peace.